Are you planning on doing some tile work? Well, chances are you're going to need to use a tile saw. Make a cut like that. A tile saw can make or break the tile job. Get it? Make or break tile? Never mind. Let's dive in. The first thing you'll notice is the tile saw is a wet saw. So as the blade spins, it picks up a little bit of water to both cool the blade as well as lubricate the cut. Make sure the blade nut is tight before you get going. You don't want the blade to freeze up in the middle of the cut. Once the blade is tight, put the blade guard back in place. Make sure you have enough water in the basin, but not too much so that it goes down the overflow. Lock the saw deck back in position and you're ready to start cutting. Let me suggest that you stick some painter's tape to the tile so you can mark it and see it more easily. Now, I've seen some folks set up a fence or a guide system, but here I just freehanded it. I've seen people use Sharpie, but Sharpie never comes off. Let's speed it up. Now when you get to the end, go really slow so you don't tear out or chip the corner. Now as you cut, there's going to be porcelain and ceramic particles that fly up. There's also going to be water that comes off the wet saw. So please wear eye protection and just be ready that you're going to get hit with little pieces of tile. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comments section below. Now inspect your work and make sure you have a clean cut. Now as the blade wears out, you may need to replace it because that cut will get jagged. To see how to drill a hole in ceramic tile, click the image on your screen now.